Good morning, class. Welcome to day 4 of your Still Life unit. This video will discuss today's task list and the assignments that need to be completed. So your learning goal for today is to create a balanced composition that demonstrates movement. You have been working on that since the very first day, where you arranged your Still Life objects to be side to side and be overlapping so that they fill the whole space of your paper and create a sense of movement from one side of the paper to the other. Just be continuing to make sure you have that sense of movement as you are drawing the line details of your project today. And then most importantly, create a still life drawing with attention to proportion and scale. Even though you learned about value yesterday and you'll learn a little bit more about how to apply value today, we are still working on the drawing phase and really need to make sure your objects are in proportion and scale. And if you are ready to apply value today, that's fine. But as far as your benchmark goal, as is listed down here, we should still be adding the line details and finishing the line detailing of each object so we can add a value tomorrow. So tomorrow you'll see the learning goal incorporate the word value. And then your central question is, how do artists create artwork that is pleasing and demands the viewer's attention? And the answer to that is, if you think back to the very first day, it starts from the very beginning. It starts from the planning phase of the artwork, where you're planning to create an image with a variety of different objects. You are filling the space of the paper. You're creating a sense of movement where one object directs your eye to the next and then all the way back around. The line detailing, the value, the light and shadow, all of these things, even color, if the artist chooses that color, all of these things can make an artwork engaging and interesting and demand someone's attention. And then lastly, the vocabulary word we're going to be reviewing today is scale. As we are finishing the drawing phase of your project today, we want to make sure that everyone understands scale along with proportion that we discussed the other day. So first, your task list, the first step of your task list is to watch the Scale ET video, the Scale entrance ticket video. That will help with today's entrance ticket questions. It's a very short video, please watch it. Once you're done, you'll then complete the day 4 entrance ticket, and you'll answer the questions, what is scale, and why is the scale of objects important in a still life drawing? Again, both answers are discussed in the video above. So once you've done the first 2 steps here, then you're required to watch the How to Shade Basic Forms video. This is a continuation of your worksheet from last class. And if you've not completed that value scale worksheet, please do so. That is worth 8 points. So go back to last class's folder, the day 3 folder, and complete that. But if you have completed that, just watch this video. It shows how to take value, how to take the change from light to dark, shading from white to black, and everything in between, and how to add that to a shape to create form. How do we take a shape and make it look 3-dimensional, which is what you're required to do for this project starting tomorrow at the latest. And then once you've watched that video, just continue to draw your final project and submit a photo to today's work to the day 4 student progress. And as I've already stated or noted, that your goal for today is to finish adding all of your line details to your objects so that you can work on adding value during the next class. So please try to catch up if you feel like you're behind. I just want to make sure that everyone finishes the assignment on time and finishes it to the best of their ability. And then also, friendly reminder, this still life is not in color. We are only using pencil and an eraser to create the light and shadow of our project. And again, we will be revisiting that tomorrow and how to add that to your still life. All right, that's it for today's daily overview. Please message me if you have any questions. And please remember to watch the scale video and complete your entrance ticket after this video. All right, guys, I will talk to you soon. I hope you all have a great class. Bye, everyone.